So I'm gonna address the topic in this video. People are asking me that how to get the points from the Roblox invitation code and how to get all the items using the Roblox invitation code. So I'm gonna just show you guys that there is no such thing that you guys can get items inventory thing using the invitation code. So what you guys can get is you can use the promotion codes to get things from the Roblox inventory, or you guys can get the Roblox point. So here you guys can see that I'm in the marketplace of the avatar, and you guys can always keep looking in inventory to see that if there's anything that you guys can get it for free. So if there is anything, you can simply get it. For example, over here, there are a lot of things that I can get for free right here. So you guys can get it free as well. So simply go ahead and check your inventory and then select on the character that you like the most and then just click on the free item, then click on get, and that way that item will be allocated to you. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.